Hello there. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about forklift, warehouse equipment, and forklift parts and also attachments. We're very excited to introduce to you a very new design and robust forklift, which you actually see here, the 4.5 tons diesel forklift. The 4.5 tons diesel counterbalance forklift is a result of a meticulous research and development aimed at addressing the heavy demands of the material handling industry. The 4.5 tons diesel counterbalance forklift can effortlessly lift load up to 4.5 tons, making it an ideal choice for warehouses, distribution centers, and manufacturing facilities. Its counterbalance design ensures stability, heavy demanding environment. Oh, speaking of challenging environments, this forklift boasts of a powerful diesel engine that not only provides ample turquoise for lifting and transporting heavy loads, but also minimizes emissions, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. So now let's tell you what makes this 4.5 tons diesel counterbalance forklift stands out and why you should choose this forklift for your operations. So this diesel counterbalance forklift has a very high lifting speed and also traveling speed. So when using this forklift, you are able to efficiently work and efficiently maximize your efficiency. Also, you're able to reduce downtime as well. Moreover, this forklift has a very a counterbalance design, so making it stable. So during operations, even carrying a 4.5 tons load, you are easy to carry it because it's very stable. Speaking of its stability, what makes it special again is the chassis. As you can see, the chassis is very thick. Yeah, which this chassis has all the components of this forklift attached to it. So with this thickness of this chassis, it's easier for you to for the forklift to be stable, the entire forklift actually. And not only that, we also have the cabin. Now, you know that safety is very important, especially in the material handling industry. So this forklift here has a lot of different options on it. But some of these options are actually the standard, but mostly this particular forklift has a lot of options here that you can opt for if you're looking for this 4.5 tons diesel counterbalance forklift. So one of these functions is the suspension seat. Now, this seat is actually not the standard version. This is the suspension seat. What this is what this does actually helps the operator during operation to reduce fatigue because during operation this forklift like the fan there. So this fan is actually an option version because this particular cabin is a closed cabin. So during operation, especially during winter, you need your forklift to be closed in order to avoid any cold coming in there in order to ensure the operator's comfortability. Therefore, the fan is insulated in there. Also, there is an AC also insulated in there as well. So it can monitor the heat. It can also monitor the coldness in this particular forklift. So like I mentioned, that is actually an option version. And also the closed cabin is also an option version. And the suspension seat is also an option version. Now we can see that this forklift is equipped with intuitive controls which aids the operator during operation. It's very easy for the operator to maneuver this entire forklift in tight space and also in open spaces as well. Also, it does have a wider stepping space, which also aids the operator's comfortability. Like we did mention, the safety is one of our priorities when making this forklift. So we made sure that everything insulated in these forklifts helps the operator. So whilst operation, the operator is able to comfortably maneuver and operate this entire forklift for long hours without being fatigued. We also have a very thin feel for it. So the marks, in between the marks here, we actually have it really wide. So during operation, the operator can easily locate whatever is in front of him in order not to cause any accidents. So it does have a very high lifting speed. The max view forward is also pretty wide also. So this all aids in the efficiency operation and also reducing downtime as well and helping the operator reducing lots of fatigue. 4.5 tons diesel counterbalance truck or forklift is very, very versatile too. Its design allows for easy maneuvering even in tight spaces, like mentioned. And also, its tires are built to withstand the demand of heavy duty operations. Moreover, let's not forget about the maintenance. This truck model design ensures that servicing and repairs are efficient, minimizing downtime and optimizing operational uptime. Lastly, the 4.5-ton diesel forklift is embodied with a fusion of power, efficiency, and versatility. If you're in need of this 4.5-ton diesel forklift, don't hesitate. Visit us at www.forkfocus.com, or below you're going to see our email. Type to us an email and our team will happily assist you with any other forklift you need or this particular forklift. Like we mentioned earlier on, this is a closed cabin and it does have a lot of different options on it. But there is also an extended version of this particular forklift. So whether you need a standard version, you need a lot of option version on it due to your working environment. Yep, Focus, we've got you. So feel free, send us an email below or visit us and we will happily assist you in getting the perfect forklift you need. Moreover, we have spare parts, forklift attachments, which can be mounted on this one, or spare part for this forklift of any of these parts you need, being it bigger or smaller. Focus is here to assist you in getting whatever you need. So visit us, talk to us, and we will happily assist you. Until our next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.